discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Yeah, you can talk real quick. We'll put the window up. Can you just tell me your name real quick and what's in here?
Yeah, Rich Hoffman on Facebook, or Richards_Basshead_movement on IG. And it's a Scott Bowman built 32 hertz flat wall with 6 Sundown NSV4 15s on 3 Crossfire 16Ks.
Whoa. Is it a 12, 14 volt, 16 volt?
I'm running it at 16. Around 15 and a half is where I charge.
Okay.
And 270 amp hour of C-Max.
So you've gone from Phi to Sundown. Which one do you like more?
You remember that?
Yep.
The FIs played very well. I have no complaints. These play lower. I'm not saying they're louder and not louder, but they play lower. So I'm happy with that configuration. So,
all right.
Yeah, just something different.
Yes, sir.
Keep it fresh.
Okay. What's your low frequency peaking at?
Would it be in tune at 32?
Yeah.
It's probably rated around there, but it really likes the higher notes as well. It will play. It's louder, obviously.
Yeah.
But I wanted you to feel.
That's low, yeah.
Yeah. It plays different than what it did before. But I have music that it likes.
Okay.
Find something that plays low. Decently low.
Alright.
What's going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of his system. He was showcasing it at the Made of Steel show around Tampa, Florida area of 2021. He's going to be giving us a crazy Subwoofer Flex 2-song demo today. If you haven't already, go ahead and give him a like as well as comment. Let him know what you think about his system. I went ahead and put the previous video link in the description. Back when he had 5 subs, he was giving us a little commentary on them. This was the thumbnail of that, so after getting this demo, check out that video so you can kind of see how he progressed. A lot of power on tap in this system. Over 50,000 watts between his subwoofer amplifiers and his 2 and 4 channel amplifiers for his door speakers. Insane amount of power and lithium bank to support this. I didn't get the exact alternator power he had. Pretty sure he had a dual alternator system based off of his previous video. You can see that in the description after this demo. And he had a top port, so all that pressure was optimized to put towards the passenger and driver, equalized the pressure chamber, and having that brace to keep the glass from popping apart. I'm surprised he didn't break his glass during this demo. Anyway, we're going to go get to the demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily car audio videos coming your way every day, and enjoy.
Kind of quick. Awesome, man. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thanks for coming by, Jacob.
That looks really, it's got good bandwidth.
Yeah.